I don't think I will now. I mean, she's grown up woman now. She's got her own life to lead. But I know you mean well, love. But Mary, I'm so sorry I can't come and see you again, love. I will try and get out one of these days and perhaps catch a cab down to you. But I can't walk very well at the moment, so I can't get down. I'm sorry, love. Hello, Mary. At least I hope it's you. I'm not sure if the telephone number. I think I've got the right one. My doctors came down because I've been in the hospital, you see, and they came down and they chucked all my phone books away, so I couldn't be sure, but I'm just hoping it is your number. And are you okay, my love? I'm sorry I haven't been to see you, but I haven't been able to get out at all. I know you can't get out, so I just don't know what to do. I mean, they want me to go back up to Leeds, but I don't want to go up there. I'm okay down here with you as my friend. I mean, we've been best friends ever since you first came over. I hope you're okay. Mary, I'm so sorry, but don't think that I'm upset with you or anything, 'cause I just can't get out. To be honest, love, just so upset that we can't be together because we always have such fun, don't we? Is that
And I'm thinking, it's like a building block or something that you can.
I'm so sorry I can't come and see you again, love. I will try and get out one of these days and perhaps catch a cab down to you. I can't be now. I'm sorry, love. Hello, Mary. At least I hope it's you. I'm not sure of the telephone number, but I can come up with one. My doctors came down because I've been in hospital, you see, and they came down and they checked all the phone books on me, so I couldn't be sure. Just